Next one from Pappy Jack Farms. Do you have any experience with Brussels sprouts? Oh, do I ever have experience with Brussels sprouts? Let me tell you. It's not good experience, but I do. This is our first year growing them. We started them in 70 cell trays, and they don't seem to stay upright by transplanted time. They all seem to fall over. My first thought would be insufficient lighting, but we don't have this problem with anything else we've ever grown. Any feedback? So you mean they're falling over in the trays? Yeah, maybe because they're lanky. But wait, upright by transplanting time. Well, then just transplant them deep and make sure they get lots of water, and they should be okay. Like, yeah, if you're gonna do Brussels sprouts, now's the time, right? You get that crop in. That's because Brussels sprouts are better in the winter. Terrible crop to start in the spring. They just get so full of aphids. They're just worse. They're the worst aphid crop you can grow. That's why they're so sprayed with chemicals at the grocery store, because the pest pressure on them is brutal. But yeah, transplant them deep. Make sure they got lots of water. Yeah, that's really all you can do.